Okay, one part that we wanted to go over is, let's say it's time to take that off. Make sure that you lift your little cover off. Yeah, so go ahead and lift your cover up. Turn the knobs counterclockwise to turn them down. You'll figure it out real quick, but if it zaps you too much, oop, that's clockwise. So then go counterclockwise, there we go. And then until it clicks, that turns the machine off, okay? Then you wanna put your little cover back on, and then you wanna put your pad, so set that down. And let's have you put your pads right back on here, okay? So these pads are reusable. They're your pads, okay? So we're gonna, and then I'm gonna remove the one from the back.
Beautiful.
Okay. And then what you can do is you can just remove the leads again. So remember, the leads are red, black, red, black. But you'll know because they're the leads on one wire. You can fold that back up. You can take these back out, store it in your little case. Yeah, go that way. Like I said, if you're going to store it for any length of time, always a good idea to take the battery out so that it doesn't damage your unit. And then you just wrap your wires back up here. Okay. Put them back in here. Put all your information and put these. You can put, ideally you would put this back in here. And then if these kind of start to get a little old or they don't stick as well, a little soap and water in the sink, and they will be gummy again, so they last quite a while. You can kind of bring them back to life. So we're just gonna put that back in there. There we go. And then your little container. And then click your container open, and there you go. There's your vagal stimulator. All right.
Perfect, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.